hai taisa lamsupiu ani channel o bayarok tini teksa job notification katal faijak SSC hoite ge norno abang kisa sabano jeta important nangman date tam post by salary abo sabano nge faising pura nalewano dates of submission of online application 24 mian siminunka 24/6 to 24/7 2024 o mas ni 24 sim final mas ni 24 jora date tongnai ni online application submit khanani last date making unko online payment khanani ba ni process parnani 25 tarik date sem no nge tentative schedule tier 1 exam computer based examination na abo bayro tentative schedule tongo September October nge tier 2 ni case tentative schedule tongo December okay amo nini sulungi tam sijaro staff selection commission will hold combined graduate level examination 2024 for filling of various group B and group C posts in different ministries department by mainly group B group C posts ni bagi different central government different department different post to najangnai ngai phari jeng detail of the post na ditam tong name of the post tam pay level sijaro ko 744,900 to 1,42,400 assistant officer senior central ministry central secretary service group B age limit 20 to 30 assistant section officer intelligence bureau group B age 18 to 30 assistant officer amujo to assistant officer ke tebon nadi ang link riduban rok nainadi tero ninungo tong inspector of income tax inspector central CBS civic department no group B group C ikoro no yang sijak to mention kaham gano aro kuma tongo serial wise agoni ni pay level 6 ni bisingo ke tam phaijai ko executive assistant section officer sub inspector SRO amro to group B amro to group B amro age limit same no motamti and then pay level 5 pay level 4 ni gilama tong auditor tong senior assistant tong tax assistant science no naina de kaham ke no bono area nda aro teno angko main sabano te koekta syllabus bahingno tamge syllabus no naina nai aro for the post no link riduano no reading no kahame pontang li amo PDF one kolomo 100 something 100 plus page tongoro the main simino no saiduano tongodi biang thangkabo no certificate bahike nangno naia bojo toro boro rozak ina dinani aro boro koita specific post ni bagi aro qualification ni bachelor degree any in subject am specific junior statistics ni bagi te ni onko tam sijak inko tam qualification nang ade aro pulau sijak junior statistical officer bai nang bachelor degree in any subject from medical bachelor degree jekon subject ko khaijak khinungu haike bani ni aro ni 60% marks roi mathematics o 12 tate manja bahaipo hermano in statistic investigator grade 2 am bobhano ngene haipon obha kisa kubun tongo ama hai nane or ni option ja tongo en 8.4 nadi o post je saka post ni bate te joto bagi post ona khabo bachelor degree from a recognized university अब tongkhino noro rumano ni chinta habe noro tawanati noro bachelor degree tongkhai simi jotto post on apply khemano again how to apply or boro sijai ko application must be submitted only in online mode at the new website of SSC headquarters that is bon website ko ssc.government.in enoro boro detail bai noro angutung tola page tongo annex 3 annex 4 annex 3A annex 4A of tola nadi ikono ang page puno no no dongana page abo 109 tongo noro tola thang nadi abo page bahai no nya noro ngo khai nadi उनको थांगी kaham ke nor naidi ta monang na ya hinke tek or naya no scheme unko exam ni syllabus ni tier 1 ni syllabus ka general intelligence reasoning general awareness quantitative aptitude english comprehension but it unko question 25 tong maximum 50 khai time lo 1 hour ning na hinke tier 2 exam ke ni section 1 tong module tong 1 tong mathematics abilities reasoning and general intelligence then english section 2 tong english comprehension module 2 general awareness module section 3 compare knowledge module data entry speed to statistics joto jawni bagi naya abo koira post ni bagi simis na statistics abnor khel khai tongdi anor syllabus no naina manor gilama syllabus borok te detail babe seri jagoro eno tolaw thang unko gobo indicative syllabus na tier 1 bai bor kham karo syllabus no rezak no poinary kaham gano silum ko সময় রুই নাম কম কলমা আবো পড়লিয়া টাইম ওয়েস্ট খাইলি no je main simi sare ka ingabo ni teila unko teke soko oboni center no agotla no exam rumana no joton sinai exam to agotla center ungu ni Empai rok asuno norok to no rebaidi jara namu to norok jara onko mes kam ke to norok bong bagai kini opportunity good golden opportunity norok kam ke ruya job central job beton kaham no man salary kaham no man engke empai rok tin video bagai asuno tene buskong ke notification advertise package ang upload khai bano hambai.